Hello guys, so I have been asked about an effect that I did some months ago in a video that I shared. So I decided to make a tutorial and let me show what kind of effect we are going to be creating. So as you can see, it's some kind of liquid project on lines effect. I came up with playing with Houdini while I was learning, and here is let me show you the scene. And in this particular tutorial we're going to use the beard. You can put whatever model you want. In this one I made the lines a little slower. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here we are in a fresh Houdini scene, and I'm gonna change the layout. I'm gonna press Alt and middle click on this area here, and then click on this area. So now we have a better space to work at. I'm gonna press Tab and add the Geo node. Double click to go inside, and I'm gonna go here in this arrow to import my model. It's a bird and it's kinda small, so I'm gonna add the transform sub and change the scale to 6, maybe 7, and now we need to scatter some points and connect adjacent pieces. We need to change these to adjacent points, and let's change the radius to 0.06. Now let's add a solver sub, connect and go inside, and here we need to add a point pop, connect, and let's add a cool noise and another sub. Let's connect the point to the position and to the add node, and the noise to the add node, and this to the position. So now we need to change the current noise settings. Let's change to simplex noise, amplitude to 0.1, roughness to 0.2. Press U to go back. Let's add an attribute randomize. Let's change the class to primitives, the distribution to direction or orientation. Let's check this cone angle and bias toward direction boxes, and let's put 43 minus 0.13. These are random. You can play with this to change the color. These are numbers that I come with by playing with these settings. So now we need a resample node to add points in between. As you can see, and let's change the length to 0.03. And lastly, we need to add a rise up. Connect this here and this to the input 4. And in the ray settings, we are going to change to method minimal distance and import attributes from hits. So now press U to go back, and we are going to add another point bob, connect it to the transform, and we are going to do the same thing but connecting to the velocity. So add a curl noise and add stop, position to position, noise to the add stop, and this to the velocity. And for the curl noise, we're going to change Berlin to analytic simplex noise, amplitude to 0.01, roughness it's okay. Press U to go back, and now we're going to copy the solver, click and shake to disconnect, and let's put the first input here and the third input here. So now we're going to enter and change this to the third instead of the fourth input. Now let's add a smooth sub, copy and paste here, and now if we press play, it should, why isn't, what I'm missing here? Solver, and we need to connect the point bob to the fourth input on the solver that we set earlier. And now if we hit play, we will get this liquid effect. What we can do now is, for example, go to the solver, in the attribute to randomize, we can change the color to something else, and then we can merge these two together, so we will have now let's add another attribute to randomize, but this time we're going to go to primitives and change the alpha. Global scale to 4. Let's copy this. I don't know why this one isn't projecting. If we go to the solver, resample array. Oh, I wasn't on the. In the solver, you have to check the last node, or it won't work. If we hit play now, you can see that the effect is following the geo. So smooth, attributes randomized. So we now have two different colors. So we can change, for example, go to the solver, point bob, and change the parameters. So we get a different effect, and now we can merge these two together. Now if you let me catch this simulation a little bit. If you want to change the speed of the lines, you can go to the solver, point bob, and add a divide node, a constant, and connect the time to the divide and the constant. So we divide the time by this number, let's say 5, and then we multiply the noise and connect this here. So now wait, we have to switch divide. Multiply goes here, the divide goes here, and the current noise goes first. No, the divide goes first, current noise. It should time divide at constant. And now you can see that finally the effect is much lower. And now what you can do with this is, for example, right click, save geometry, select the folder and choose a name, beard splines that obj, accept, and you can go to cinema. You can open it, and you can, for example, add a circle. Let's see. Yeah, we will have to change the size of the spline. Add a circle, and as you know, inside. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Sorry about the breathe noise on the microphone. It's my first tutorial, and if you want to check some time lapses and future tutorials, you can check my Vimeo page or my website cascaldesign.com. You can go to the how section, and I will be posting the video there. And in the lab, I'm going to put some experiments. If you want a particular tutorial on how to do an effect, I'm kinda new in Houdini, but I will do my best to help you. I hope you enjoy, and good luck.